tell you what sets you apart. Tell me your secrets and ask me some questions. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles, it's all tales, and so silence apart.
Hello guys! Hello mga Kamaspi! Hello Singapore! Yes, this is BJ SJ and today is October 19, 2012 and we're here at Blue Jazz Cafe with none other than Janoy Tana!
Hello, hi guys, kumusta?
Okay, Janoy, welcome to Singapore and
Thank you.
is this, this is your first gig here in Singapore.
Yes.
And how do you find Singapore and its crowd, the place?
Pagdating pa lang namin kahapon sa airport, palabas pa lang kami, napansin ko na ang ganda ng city. Maraming puno, kahit na-develop na yung city, ang dami pa rin puno. May nakakatuwa, may nakakapanibago. First time kong lumabas din ng bansa para tumugtog actually. And last night, yung first night ng gig, masaya kasi yung suporta ng mga Pilipino dito sa Singapore sa mga acts na pumupunta dito, tremendous. So, kailangan siguro minsan bisita sila dito para marinig din yung music nila.
Yeah, I heard na yung tickets mo is fast selling and up to the last minute yata may nagtatanong pa if there are available tickets. So are you surprised that you got this so many fans here in Singapore?
No, nakakasurpresa kasi hindi mo naman expect na pagtawid mo ng dagat meron kang makikita. Nakakasaya yan. Although, sa tulong na rin ng internet yan kasi I have videos sa YouTube, Facebook, kaya ganun.
Okay, do you think which is yung like, saan ka nakilala? With your YouTube account or on the radio?
For mga tao dito sa mga Pilipinas sa Singapore siguro, more sa YouTube talaga.
Alright. And then, is being an artist and playing music something you like since you were young? Or like, ano lang, it happens lang?
Yung music, nasa family na namin. Yung father ko, medyo kilala siya sa town namin na magaling kumakanta talaga. So, ever since pag mayroong program sa school, bata pa ako, pinapakanta nila ako sa international radio. Pero yung realization na gagawin ko ito as a profession, dumating siya nung high school na siguro, nung narinig ko yung Eraserheads.
Alright, so since young you're playing your guitar, na any other instrument that you know how to play aside from your guitar?
Gitara lang talaga. Actually, specifically, acoustic guitar lang. Although pareho lang naman siguro yung konsepto ng electric guitar at saka ng acoustic guitar. In terms of chords, medyo hindi ako sanay na electric, acoustic lang. Para sa akin, mas gusto ko yata yung naririnig ko siyang
Natural strum niya,
nagre-resonate siya sa bibig ko.
Okay. And then, you have an album, Dating Hapon, and your career single is Ikaw at Ako.
Well, yung unang-una talagang lumabas na single sa album na Dating Hapon ay yung Ulan. Yung Ikaw at Ako, pangalawang single siya na lumabas. Pero, it has 12 tracks, all original songs. Available siya sa mga gigs ko sa Pilipinas.
How about today? Available ba siya tonight for your fans?
Meron akong dalang few copies to sell for the fans.
Okay. Since Filipinos, they always love this. Sample daw.
Okay. Sample.
Kahit chorus or a line, two lines of your Ikaw at Ako.
Okay, wait lang. Ikaw at ako pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay. Doon muna.
Wow! Any inspiration in writing this song? Or my story behind
Generally,
this
yun
song?
lang yung tingin ko sa love. Ganun.
General. Okay. And then, I've heard before, if anyone wants to buy a copy of your album, they call or SMS you or
Oo,
text
doon
you.
sa Manila.
And then you meet them personally. Ang sipag mo naman! Are you still doing it up to now?
Yes, kaso lang, yun nga, minsan hindi nagtatagpo yung schedule. Kailangan mong tapat sa libreng oras, saka minsan malayo din. I'm still doing it pag merong
So,
nagtatanong.
ang swerte naman ng mga fans ni Janoy to have him as their idol kasi he will literally like go to his fans to meet them out. Okay, you have an online show right now or can you tell us more about it? Online or radio?
Well, baka yung sinasabi mo yung podcast. Wala muna siya ngayon. Parang tinigil muna namin. Pero yung mga episodes, I guess they can still download it sa iTunes or sa website.
Alright, and then any plans after this concert or where can they follow you? Like new songs?
For songs and everything else, I have a Facebook account. So they can look me up, Janoy Danao, or they can follow me on Twitter. Nag-post din ako ng mga updates doon. And I have a YouTube.
YouTube account.
Yeah, Janoy Danao. I post videos there, news and anything.
Do you have website also?
Yeah, JanoyDanao.com. Pero
.com.
hindi ko masyadong na-update yun eh. So, mas okay yata na sa Facebook na lang or...
Alright. And then some future plans, new albums.
Well, yung album, hindi ko siya minamadali. Pero syempre, nasa plano na gumawa ng pangalawang album. Yun, nagsusulat ako ng mga bagong material niya.
Okay. Are you any under recording company right now or independent?
Dependent.
Independent. And then lastly, anything you want to say to Requiem Rising Singapore
Okay.
and Pinoy Tuner and to your fans today?
Kapag nanunood na
Wala akong masabi kundi isang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa Requiem Rising for bringing me here in Singapore,
ang sarap-sarap mo
sa Pinoy Tuner for sponsoring it also, for helping artists from the Philippines para makapunta dito sa Singapore to perform. Alam naman natin na namimiss ng ibang mga kababayan natin
ng
yung
puso kong
Filipino music.
nagpapahiwati.
So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na sumusuporta.
Sa hugis mo
Tuloy-tuloy lang, sana wag kayo magsawa.
Ayun. So, thank you, Requiem Rising Singapore. If it's not for you, yes, hindi po namin mapapanood ng live like Janoy Danao and any local artist from Philippines. Which is true, na namimiss namin yung local music, yung Tagalog song, which is hindi na namin narinig sa radio. So, salamat talaga, Requiem Rising. And then, thank you so much, Janoy,
Salamat.
para sa interview na to and having a time for us. And yes, we'll have a good time tonight. Soothing music, acoustic music by Janoy Danao. And yes, follow him up with his Facebook, Twitter account, and his website.
Ngunit sigurado wala na akong hahanapin pa. Ikaw at ang aking gitara, pinagkukunan ko ng ligaya. Pakinggan mo ang aking kanta. Di na kailangang magbitaw ng salita, anumang tumatakbo sa isipan. Pinamigay na yon ng ating mga mata. Tingin ng paanyayang sumayaw sa aking kama. Sasali ng ulan, wag ka munang lumisan. Ulan, ulan, dalasan mo ang minsan. Ulan, ulan, wala kaming nais puntahan. Ulan, ulan, wag ka munang lumisan. Ulan, ulan, dalasan mo ang minsan. Ulan, ulan, wala kaming nais puntahan. Wala kaming nais puntahan. Wala kaming nais puntahan. Wala kaming nais puntahan.